Don't you know it isn't polite to stare?
Tony, sit down, please. I'm sorry about that.
It's all right. No harm.
Hank, right? You look like a Hank.
Actually, it's Jim. Jim Kirkland.
Jennifer. And you've already met Tony.
Yeah.
How long you been married?
Oh, we're not yet. I just like to wear it. Feels like we are anyway. I took time off my auto body shop to meet her for a little pre-wedding vacation.
Oh, that's nice. You known each other a long time then?
6 months. Now, I know it's a little crazy. But
There's nothing crazy about it. If you don't know and then the first month that she's the one, then you'll never know.